Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO K13x. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in a second one. When you're done with all of that, you can pick whatever you want to in all those other pop-ups. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom of an Android. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in White pop-up, and then to continue, choose Got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on OPPO. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up, and point your OPPO's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait.
Rozpocznij swoją grę w grillowanie.
Close our ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!